Welcome back to another Monday Minute. These are quick tips. We've been working our way through a bunch of Lightroom tips, and I want to share today how to find files and folders that are missing in Lightroom. All right, you're in Lightroom and you've got that dreaded exclamation point and it tells you over here on the right, the photo is missing. I want to show you how to find these photos, but there are a couple different reasons why photos might be missing. This very first example, well, let's look. It's inside a folder that's also missing, that's the question mark, inside another folder that's missing, and these all live on a drive that's not plugged in. It's offline, there's no light. The very simple solution to this issue is to find that drive in your pile of drives, if you're like me, and plug it back in. It will then, Lightroom will recognize that the drive is plugged in and see those folders. All right, that's back plugged in and it's all live. Down here I've got a folder. So we click here and we get missing with all of these pictures because this folder is missing. Right click on it, find missing folder is our option. We type in, or we choose find missing folder, and it drops us into, a folder that was last seen near. So we're looking for Fiona Southwest, and then if we could see the rest of that, it says McKay. It's not sitting here. Should be right here, right around this spot between Southwest McKay and Quarantine. I can come over here and I can search for Fiona. I'm doing this on a Mac, but if you're doing this on a Windows machine, your search function is right there in this Explorer or Finder window. And look, here is that folder. But where is it? It actually doesn't matter where it is. I could simply say choose. It's going to figure out where it is and relink it correctly here. That's the easiest thing to do. But if you look down here, it tells me that somehow this Fiona Southwest folder got put inside the Southwest McKay folder. Now again, if you're trying to make it realize that this folder is on an external drive, you simply need to go navigate to that drive and choose that folder. It'll then make Lightroom, quote unquote, wake up and realize that it is the drive it's looking for. Sometimes those volume names get changed. I'm going to go ahead and click choose, and voila, that folder has disappeared. Remember, it's accidentally inside Southwest McKay. See the little hard triangle now? I can click that and it will open up, and there is the Fiona Southwest. That's not where I wanted it. So I'm going to click and drag and drop it back here on Lightroom, and it will move itself outside that folder and be back where I wanted it to be. That's pretty handy. All right, let's look at the third problem. You're missing pictures. But just some pictures. Look, I land on the JP Soccer folder and the first picture's there, original photo, but all of the rest of them have the exclamation point. So this isn't a folder issue, this is a several pictures issue. I can click the little exclamation point, tells me it could not find it. Now I rename files on import, so they get this long but very unique name that makes it very easy. I'm highlighting this in this little box. I'm going to press Command C or copy on my Mac and hit locate. Now it shows me this JP Soccer folder. There's only that one picture actually in it. All the rest are someplace else. Let's search for them. I'm just going to paste into the search box this next file. Here it is in Lightroom 2020. Okay, that matches up. Inside Sigma 24. Oh, they all got moved to the Sigma 24 to 70 folder. Somehow I might have spastically clicked and dragged. But that's where that picture is at least. So I'm going to go ahead and say select. And now I go over here to Sigma 24 to 70. I have all of those pictures and all of these soccer pictures. It's smart enough, even though I connected it to just one photo, that it went and found all of the missing photos that happen to be all in the same location. And again, now I can click and select all of those and drag and drop them back to the location I want. Look, I recommend that you do all of your file renaming and moving of folders and renaming of folders too inside Lightroom. That's really going to help you avoid these lost files and folders that are just kind of a hassle to deal with. But now, with these 3 quick tips, you're going to be a little bit better prepared. If you appreciated this quick tip, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, along with hitting that little bell to be notified of future videos, tips, tricks, gear reviews, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day.